Occasionally you may make a mistake in editing a node's schedule or pricing. Luckily, Carbon has the ability to restore a node to one of its previously processed schedules. Start by clicking on the node you would like to restore and then inspecting it. Now we will click on the History tab, not to be confused with the Patch History tab. Click on History, and here you are able to see this node's previously processed scheduled, what was in those schedules, as well as the status of each content push. We can click on them and view their related schedule and text or price history. If we want to restore a point, we just click on the Restore button. We decide if we want to restore just the schedule or just the prices or both, and then we hit Apply. The page will pause for a few seconds while restoring, but it will let you know when the content has been put back to an earlier point. Now that it says History Restoration Successful at the bottom, we can navigate back to the Schedules tab and see that our old content is now present. If we want to publish our new restored content, all we need to do is hit Publish. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our support team at support@dealmedia.com or give us a call at 770-619-1225 extension number 2.